I'm gonna teach you a quick way to make dynamic shadows in After Effects. Don't forget that you can download this project file in the description. Making a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year, day 5 of 365. I already have a composition here and I want to add some shadows. I'm going to start by this square. We have to add the effect CC Radial Fast Blur. Okay, we have to change standard to brightest, and here we can increase the amount of shadow, 93. And as you can see, the shadow follows this point over here, so we have to attach this point to the light source. But first, I'm going to change the color of the shadow, so let's add a fill and make the shadow like a dark gray. Let's bring back the layer with the effect CC Composite. We have to parent this point to our layer. So let's open the position of our layer with P and go to the square. Double click here in center and grab the pick whip of center and select the position of your layer. Now wherever your layer goes, it goes the position of the shadow. We already have the effect done. We can apply this to other layers. You just have to copy these effects. And I'm going to add the triangle. And you only have to change this. It is the layer. So select triangle and do the same thing with the other layers. So paste, select the current layer, and so on. There you go. Here you have the effect finished. It's a really quick effect. It's really quick to set up. Don't forget that you have the project file in the description. You can download it for free and see you in the next tutorial.